Okay, the idea that you've got to develop a business. The root of it, of course, is the testing and the systems. That's where you start to develop the business idea, if you like. It's when you have a system that's giving you positive expectation that the business can start. Before that situation, you're really in the preparation phase, where you're preparing for a business. But certainly when the business idea has been shown to be effective, that you have a business. At that point, you start to trade. And I'm using the word trade in the much broader sense, where you're a van deliverer, a kind of artist, running a professional consultancy, whatever it might be, whatever you're doing, film actor, you need to have a business idea that is effective, and the more you can do to make sure it's effective, the better it is. I mean, one hears these horror stories of people open a shop, just going to it blindly, don't think it through, end up with a huge, expensive lease, lots of stock, and it's just a disaster and they go bankrupt. I guess the shop is probably one of the worst examples in the sense it's quite capital involved with that sort of business. On the other hand, you can start an internet business, start something like eBay, for example, where the whole thing is quite low cost, and you can test it by selling stuff to start with, and if it starts to work, you just expand. And trading's a bit like that. You test out the systems and develop your business along good business lines. You have to watch your expenditure. You have to make sure the money keeps coming in. You have to make sure that you don't miss the good trades. It's the point I covered in one of the previous clips. You have to be open for business. When business arrives, you must be there to do the deal. So it's a fairly key idea, really. That certainly it's a key idea that trading is a business. There's no doubt about that at all. But it's important you make money out of your business. But the actual testing of the systems is the root of all that.